The dream he shared too early. Arjun was not the kind of person people noticed. He sat in the last row, spoke only when needed, and kept most of his thoughts to himself. But inside, his mind was always active, full of ideas, plans, and dreams. For years, he had one quiet dream. He wanted to build something of his own, a small digital learning platform where people from villages could learn English for free. He knew what it felt like to struggle with English. He had been laughed at, ignored, and underestimated just because he couldn't speak fluently. So he promised himself, one day, I'll make something that helps people like me. The beginning after finishing college, Arjun started working a small job. The pay wasn't much, but he saved every rupee carefully. Late at night, while others slept, Arjun stayed awake. He watched tutorials. He learned basic editing. He practiced speaking English in front of a mirror. Slowly, quietly, he was building his dream. The mistake one day, during lunch break, his colleague asked, Arjun, why do you always look so busy these days? Arjun hesitated, but then smiled. I'm working on something big, he said. What? His friends leaned closer. And for the first time, Arjun shared everything. My own platform, free English lessons, videos, maybe even an app one day. For a moment, there was silence. Then came the reactions. One laughed, you teach English? Another smirked, bro, even you're still learning. Someone else added, dreams are good, but be realistic. They didn't shout. They didn't insult loudly, but their words were sharp enough. The doubt that night, Arjun sat in front of his laptop. The same laptop that once felt like a doorway to his future, now felt heavy. His mind replayed their voices again and again. You, be realistic, you're still learning. He opened his project, stared at it, and then slowly closed it. Days passed. The late nights stopped. The excitement faded. His dream didn't die in one moment, it faded quietly, because of doubt. The turning point one evening, Arjun was scrolling on his phone. Suddenly, a video appeared. A young man, speaking simple English, teaching exactly what Arjun had planned. The video had thousands of views. People were commenting, thank you. This helped me. I finally understand. Please make more videos. Arjun's heart started beating faster. This was his idea. The same concept, the same audience, the same purpose. But someone else had done it. The realization that night, Arjun couldn't sleep. He sat in silence and whispered, I didn't fail. I gave up. No one had stopped him. No one had taken his idea. He had simply allowed others' opinions to become stronger than his own belief. The comeback the next morning felt different. For the first time in months, Arjun opened his laptop again. His hands were slow, but steady. He didn't tell anyone this time. No announcements, no sharing, no seeking approval, just quiet work. Days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months. Arjun recorded videos again. This time, they weren't perfect. But they were honest. He spoke like a learner, not like a teacher. And people connected with that. The result: one video got 50 views. Then 200. Then 1000. Comments started coming. You explain so simply. I feel confident now. Please don't stop. Arjun smiled. Not because of the numbers, but because he had protected his dream this time. Final lesson: Arjun learned something powerful. Not everyone is meant to understand your vision. Some people will doubt you. Some will laugh. Some will unknowingly plant fear in your mind. And if you share your plans too early, you risk losing your belief before you even begin. Moral: work in silence. Let your results speak.